Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore lost partitions using TestDisk, complete guide step by step clearly. Download and install TestDisk from the official website. Open TestDisk by running the executable file. You will see a command line interface. Select Create to start a new log file. Choose the disk from which you want to recover lost partitions. Use the arrow keys to navigate and press Enter to proceed. Select Intel for most PC users, or EFI GPT for newer systems. Choose Analyze to begin the analysis of the selected disk. After the initial analysis, select Quick Search. TestDisk will scan for lost partitions. The results will appear on the screen. If you see your lost partition, highlight it and press Enter. Select Write to restore the lost partition. Confirm the write operation when prompted. If the lost partition does not appear, choose Deeper Search. This process may take longer but is more thorough. Once the deeper search completes, review the found partitions again. Select any additional partitions you wish to restore and press Enter. Choose Write to confirm the restoration of these partitions. After writing the changes, exit TestDisk. Reboot your computer to complete the process. Check if your partitions are visible again in the File Explorer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.